DNP DS820A Photo Printer Review. The print beast that never clogs. Panoramas? You bet. Stuck, stressed, and staring at yet another printer error message? Yep, we've all been there, watching deadlines fly by while that fancy photo printer decides it's not in the mood today. Between clogged ink heads, blurry output, and surprise maintenance drama, creating professional-grade prints shouldn't feel like babysitting a toddler with a meltdown. If you've ever wanted to scream into the void after wasting ink, paper, and precious time, you're not alone. Whether it's for events, studio shoots, or your side hustle printing panoramas, your gear should have your back, not stab it. Let's be real, it gets worse fast. A slow, unreliable printer doesn't just kill your workflow, it drains your sanity. Imagine prepping for a big wedding shoot, only to deal with dried ink, streaky gradients, or worse, total shutdown. Missed deliveries. Unhappy clients. Crushed deadlines. Stress builds, motivation tanks, and suddenly you're questioning your career choices. That printer you once trusted? Now it's a bottleneck wrapped in regret. And if you're juggling multiple gigs or running a photo booth at max speed, every wasted minute burns money and trust. Enter the DNP DS820A, your ride-or-die photo printer. This thing doesn't play around. With zero clogs, ever, blazing fast 8x10 prints in just 29 seconds, and panoramic capabilities up to 8x32 inch, it's the productivity powerhouse your creative grind deserves. Need a break? It can sit untouched for weeks and still print flawlessly, no purges, no mess. The DS820A packs dual media finishes, vibrant 300x600 dpi clarity, and a rugged, compact build. Whether you're slinging prints at events or crafting gallery-worthy shots, this machine just works, quietly, cleanly, reliably. That's peace of mind, baby. Here's where it gets juicy. Reviews call it rock solid, zero maintenance, and just that good. Pros love the smooth dye-sub finish, diverse media options, and buttery color gradients. It's perfect for portraiture, panoramas, and even black and white stunners. Tired of clogged inkjets? DNP users say this is the upgrade your studio's been dying for. And that 3-year advance exchange warranty? Major win for uptime and sanity. Don't just take our word, jump into the comments and see what others are saying. Curious how it compares to Canon or Epson? We spill the tea inside the video. So, ready to ditch drama and print like a boss? Click that buy now link before the next event season hits. Supplies are limited and this beast sells fast. Don't let clogs steal your next big win. Thousands of pros have already made the switch. Why not you? Secure yours today and unlock unstoppable, hassle-free photo printing. You've waited long enough, seize the moment, level up your game, and print with confidence. Tap in now or forever wrestle with your old inkjet.